Hey guys, welcome to Channel Everything, and today I'm going to show you how to put Ubuntu 15.04 onto an odroid. So on the left side you can pick the board that you're trying to do, and today I'm going to be doing the xu4, and all the setup is the same for all the boards. So after you've picked your board, you can scroll down and then click on Android, Linux, whatever you're trying to do, and then you can pick Ubuntu, which version, and today I'll be doing the 15.04, then main server, and then you'll see the file come up there and save. So this is also similar for Raspberry Pi. It's the same process, you just have to make sure you download the right version of Ubuntu, but everything else from here on is going to be the same. So if you want to do it for Raspberry Pi, you can start the video here once you've already downloaded the image. So once you've already done that, you want to go into wherever you downloaded to the file and right click and then click on 7-zip and extract, and then wait for that to start up, and that will extract the image, and that will take a few seconds. So after you're done with that, then what you're going to want to do is open up disk imager, and on the right you're going to see a little thing with an E for it, and that's where I'm going to be loading the OS onto an SD card, and there's only one option, so that's the option you pick from. And then there's be a little file thing, and that is where you're going to get Ubuntu from, and you click on that the image and write, and then you can just say yes. It'll just overwrite any data that's on it. And this will take a few minutes to do. And this will be, so after it's done with this, then you'll be able to go right away. You'll be able to unplug the SD card from the computer and start up. Okay, it's almost done. Okay, right, successful. And now we can just unplug it. So I suggest ejecting the USB from the computer first so nothing gets messed up. Chances are anything won't, but then, yep. Then take the SD card out, and you're ready to move on to the next step. Okay, so now that you have your SD card, you can plug that right in, and then I suggest that you have also a keyboard and mouse. So I'm using a wired keyboard and a wireless mouse. You'll need those for setup. And then you can power it up with the the plug that came with it, and you'll see a little blue light turn on, and that means it's starting to boot up. And then you can plug in the HDMI cable, and let me just change the source here for a second, hold on. Okay, and it worked. Okay, so at the top you can see actually all the 8 cores that the odroid has, and yeah, it is 8 cores on the xu4. I think it's running at 2 gigahertz, I'm not exactly sure, 2 gigs of RAM. You shouldn't have to do anything, there is no password required, it should just start up right away. Yep, okay, load it up, everything looks good. And it'll say disconnected there, obviously, because you have no Ethernet plugged in or a USB Wi-Fi. And the only thing you have to do is go to utility and type in the password, which is odroid, and then wait for that to start up. And then you want to scroll down to partition or root partition, and you want to do that, yes. This allows the partition to be set correctly, because when you just plug it in directly, you're only going to have like a few megabytes of space available. So to do this, you'll be able to take full advantage of your SD card. And then it'll ask you to restart your computer and for changes to take effect, and that's what you want to do. And enter. And then you go to the top, shut down, then restart. And that's it. Thanks guys for watching. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments down below. And like the video. Thanks for watching.